Congratulations on making it to this page. If you're here, then that means that you are already an author or you're almost there to being an author. So congratulations. I'm super excited for you. You know, the statistics show that 97% of most people who want to write a book, they actually never will get it done. So the fact that you're here, it shares a whole lot about who you are. Now, you're here hopefully because you want to learn more about how to get your book to perform, profit, or to promote your book better, right? Well, I can tell you that Book Profits Club is like no other club out there on the planet. This is the only club designed to help authors learn how to truly get their books out there, learn how to turn their books into businesses, and build multiple streams of income. Now, to give you an idea of what type of genre specifically that we're talking about, this is for anyone who wants to leverage their book in the public speaking space, who wants to leverage their book in the coaching space, and also in the network marketing space. Now, if you also happen to be like a business owner, you want to learn how to use your book to get more customers, this can also help you. Now, there are two different tiers when it comes to this program, okay? So I'm going to actually show you a little bit so you can see what you get when you actually register. But the two tiers, you have your regular Book Profits Club, and then you also have Book Profits Club Elite. Now, for those of you who just want to be able to have an accountability group and to be able to, kind of stay on course, that is Book Profits Club. So for a very small monthly fee, you can actually be a part of this group where every single Thursday we have a live group Zoom session where you can come on and share what things you have coming on. For 1 hour, you guys will get coaching from myself where I can give you ideas, tips, and believe it or not, our Book Profits Club family also likes to bring some additional insight. Like, we are really a family. Also, because you're a part of Book Profits Club, on the Thursday meetings, those are actually, the replay is emailed out to everybody who's a part of the monthly membership. Now, also on top of being a part of that, you get every other Monday. So it's actually twice a month. We have on the first and third Monday, we bring in experts. And so these are experts that are in the public speaking space, client attraction, webinars, social media. I mean, all types of stuff. I'm always bringing in different experts that I know can bring some value to you guys. Okay. And so you get trained by them. Now, for those of you who are in the Book Profits Club, you must be there for the live events, right? And then the final thing with Book Profits Club is the chat. And so we have a 24/7 chat that you can actually join where you can get some additional support from Book Profits Club members. You can ask questions, anything centered around promoting, profiting, or performance. But for some of you, you want to be an elite. And that's where I want to show you what you get with that. Now, you get everything that you get with the Book Profits Club. However, on top of the Monday night sessions, you also get the replays. You will get a login that will allow you to log into a system where you're going to be able to see a ton of stuff. When I tell you, it's nothing like it. We start searching for locations or events that are taking place within your city and state so that you can actually pitch yourself to, and we show you how to pitch yourself to these events. We also look for the local media that's in your city and state. So we give you a list of the local media. We also give you we're at a point where we're at about 1,000 different podcasts, and we show you how to pitch yourself to these podcasts. That alone is worth the elite membership. But just when you thought it was good enough, right? Guess what else you get? We also give you additional training. Like, we have a training that teaches you how to create your own journal/planner that comes with tons of templates. We have a training that teaches you about how to start your own t-shirt line, right? That comes with over 1,200 designs. We have additional training on like how to create your press release, how to pitch yourself. We have public speaking training that's added. We always are adding some incredible things. On top of that, when you are an elite member, every quarter, we actually have a mastermind program that takes place in Atlanta, Georgia, or surrounding cities. You actually get to come to this event for free. Now, we do invite our regular Book Profits Club members to attend, but there is an investment. But as an elite member, you do not have to pay an additional charge. There's tons of other bonuses when you become elite. I promise you guys, for just selling 20 books a month. See, our intention is to show you how to get to over $10,000 plus per month. So you're going to be selling more than 20 books a month. But if you are able to sell 20 books a month, you can actually be a part of the elite membership. Now, if you're not ready yet for elite, of course, regular Book Profits Club is great. But I'm going to tell you guys, the elite is where you want to be. Either way, go ahead and get yourself started with Book Profits Club. Don't forget, your first meeting will be with us on a Thursday. And so plug into the Thursday sessions, plug into the chat, make sure that you introduce yourself, and plug in also, we have a Facebook group. Let everybody know that you're there. I'm super excited to have you a part of Book Profits Club in advance, and I can't wait to work with you on your journey to $10,000 plus per month, week, or day. I'll see you on the other side. Deuces.